Next song is called Mirror Man and it's by Ella Henderson. When we began, you could be so shy, but by the end, you became a different guy. And so I thought your eyes were fixed on me, but now I know yourself is all you wanna see. Mirror man, no one can love you better than a mirror can. No. Mirror man, I'll make it easy if you don't understand. Ooh yeah, I think you're falling for you. Someone should tell you the truth. You see perfection in your reflection, and trouble's coming to you. Mirror man, wish I could love you better than a mirror can. You would say that I'm your only one, but I would tell you to walk before you run. And I was right, and I realize it now. Yes, I'm attracted to the kind that let me down. Mirror man, no one can love you better than a mirror can. No. Mirror man, I'll make it easy if you don't understand. Ooh yeah, I think you're falling for you. Someone should tell you the truth. You see perfection in your reflection, and trouble's coming to you. 'Cause all your foolish pride makes you the ugly guy, and you can try to change, but you've already lost your way. Why don't you hear what I say? I think you're falling for you. Someone should tell you the truth. You see perfection